Okay, so today I'm doing a bike check on my Knolly V-Tach. Made in Canada, handmade in Canada. It's a Freeride full suspension frame, as you can see, with a 4-bar linkage system, which makes it really good for pedaling uphill, and it makes it really progressive, so it's good for doing big drops and stuff and big jumps. Doesn't bottom out easy, basically. Absolute beast of frame, so burly. A 1.5 inch head tube, 7.7 inch rear travel. Just look at these plates, it's so beefy. It's got an adjustable rear end, so you can change the length of the frame. It's got adjustable head angle here. You can change the head angle, make it slacker if you want. So basically I'm running a RockShox Cage RC rear shock. It's been alright so far, it's pretty nice looking. Does the job well. Got Mijoki 6.6 RCV forks on it, 180mm travel. Pretty nice. 1.5 inch steer tube. Got a Cane Creek XX headset. 1.5 inch obviously. Trutive Hasfella stem and crankset. Superstar pedals. Shimano bottom bracket. Or Trutive, can't remember, one of them. Charge snow camo saddle with a Acros Racing DH and Freeride seat pad. Pretty nice. A new Proof seat clamp. Got a Middleburn chain ring with an E13 chain device. Shimano Z gears with a Shimano Saint shifter on it. Hadley rear hub, 150mm wide by 12mm axle with a laced to a Mavic EX721 rim, and I've got a EX721 rim on a Pope Pro 2 front hub, 20mm. Got Maxxis wet screen front tyre, which I should really change now, unless I'm going to ride for the river, which I don't think I'm going to today. Maxxis Minion back tyre, also worn out, it needs to be changed really, but it does the job. Right, it's alright actually, it's got quite a lot of tread on it. But yeah, just look how burly this is. I absolutely love this bike. It's my favourite full suspension bike I've ever rode, by far. It's so beast. I've got Spank Spoon 785 bars, Avid Juicy Ultimate 7 brakes front and back with 200mm rotors, and a Hope mount on the rear. What else it got? DMR Def grips, which I have on all my bikes because they're good. Chili MTB sticker. Check them out on Instagram at Chili MTB, and YouTube as well, Chili MTB. Spicing up the trails. Yeah, that's about it really. Pierce Cycles Mudguard, which is my local bike shop. So if you're in the Shropshire area, check them out. But yeah, that's about it really. Just try not to fall in the river at the moment, which I am slowly sinking mud, but it'll be right. But yeah, that's it really. So this is my lunch break from work, so I thought I'd come down to the river and do a bike check. I'll just turn the bike around. Yeah, that's it. It's my Knolly V-Tach.